What's going on, YouTube? Today we're working on the 94 Corvette. I'm having a window issue where when the window goes all the way up, the front side here wants to like kick up higher than the back side, so more or less it's kind of doing like this. And when it does that, it's hitting the halo right here. I don't know how well you can see where it's hitting that, but I'll show you if I can, if you can see it or not. When the window goes up and down, see, as it goes up, it gets to about this point right here, and if you can see it, you'll see this side push up higher and that side will drop down right there. So I don't know how well you can see that or not, but right there. So the problem is the window guide. Here's the new guide right here. So basically it sits on the glass like this, and this piece right here is broke off on mine. So here's the back, here's the front. So this piece is snapped off, and this piece is also broken, causing the window, when it hits the stop right here, it goes up and it just goes past that. So we're gonna try to change this out today or this evening and see if it fixes the problem. So let's get started. First thing you got to do is take a Phillips head screw out, which is right there. I'm gonna be all in your way here, but take this Phillips screw out. Oops. I just hit my head. Next step is to take these two 10mm bolts out. Also, I already have the door panel off. If you want to see a video on that, I'll post a link to it, or card, or whatever they're called, for that video. So two 10mm bolts, and then there is, I believe, 8 or so, maybe more, 7mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, when you take those two 10mm bolts out, there's another window guide that I think actually controls the tilt of your glass that comes loose. So be sure, make sure it doesn't fall all the way down in there. You can catch it, get it out if you need be. I'm gonna leave it in there. So let's take these out. 7mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Set them to the side. Now, kind of got to work this thing out of your way, which can be kind of tricky. Get it down and out your way. Lift it up. Kind of just let it dangle. Now I'm gonna let this window down, hopefully. Alright, so I'm gonna bring you a little closer. And right there is the guide, if you can see that. It's pretty broken. See if I get a light on it. Yeah, so right there is broken, and there's a 10mm bolt we have to take out. So let me grab that, get it out. There, to get this out, there's a flat disc on the back of that thing, and hopefully I can just hold it with my hand and get it out. Yeah. So, that being said, just push the glass back a little bit. Try to get that bolt out of there. There's the bolt. And this is the little disc that sits behind there. So this fits in the little hole. You just kind of just got to hold it with your hand, and hopefully it comes out easy like that for y'all. Then just pull the guide out. If you get it, maybe. Slide it down. And there you have it. Like I said, as you can see, it's pretty broke. As soon as I find a new one, I'll show you. There you go. How about this? So, like I said, the front piece, it's actually broke pretty good. It's broken right here. This piece is broken right there. And like this whole front piece is broke off. So I'm running out of daylight here. So if I see if I can't get this back together real quick. So basically, you see this a little better like this. Slide it over the guide bar. I have to push the glass back just a little bit. Get it to line up in the hole. Take your flat piece, push it back in the hole. And try to get the bolt started. Now, see if it goes up without kicking all crazy sideways. Yep. How well you can see that. But that was the problem. Now, it's just reassemble everything the way it came apart. See what we can't do here. I would like to get some light on that for y'all, but I'm not sure if I can. Try that. Alright. Alright, get one screw, kind of just to hold this in place. Like so. Then let's get, try these two 10mm bolts, because this little thing could be kind of tricky. I gotta put the window all the way up maybe. Get the top one started. see what I got going on. There we go. Alright, now we put the rest of the 7mm in. Alright, get your Phillips head over there started. Alright, so we'll tighten the Phillips head up first. Try to get out of y'all's way. Alright, now the two 10mm. And the 8 7mm. Alright, when it goes up and down, doesn't kick to the side, that's good. Alright guys, well that's how you install a driver's side window guide on a 94 C4 Corvette. I hope y'all liked the video, hopes it helped somebody. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.